I'm Tracy Freeze, and I will rewrite any of your content so that it is uniquely yours. There are a lot of sellers out there who can do a lot of volume when it comes to content for a very small price, and they do that through software. I don't. I will literally put your content on my screen, open a fresh document, and rewrite your sentences so that they are unique, and I'll give it character, I'll give it pizzazz, and I will make sure that it sounds readable, something that artificial intelligence simply cannot do. So the process is simple. You can send me a URL of an article that you like or a website that you want to emulate. I will simply create the new content from the existing content, however you get it to me. So I actually pay for an enterprise level Copyscape membership, and my content passes 100% of the time.